If you ask the question, "What do you do at Wind Mill?" the answer might surprise you. You would expect to hear we make slat wall, display panels, and component parts. But the real answer is we help our customers maximize their retail selling space, improving their bottom line, by developing and manufacturing the retail display products they need. Since 1980, we have been innovating the highest quality, most versatile slat wall in the industry. We thrive on custom projects. Wind Mill can manufacture to requirements and specifications given. It begins with our customers' needs, connecting them with our expert project managers. Most projects begin on our lamination line, where high-pressure laminates or melamine finishes are bonded to anchor core, MDF, plywood, and other core materials. A Wind Mill exclusive, anchor core is an engineered solution offering the strongest core in the industry. CNC machine centers then shape, groove, and add detail to the panels. The design and size of the panels vary from 4x8 sheets or larger to smaller panels cut to size with varying groove treatments. Slat wall isn't just for walls. Ready-to-assemble display fixtures also benefit from anchor core technology. Our nationwide network of authorized distributors stock both ready-to-assemble fixtures and standard slat wall panels. Strength and beauty meet with Wind Mill's custom extruded aluminum inserts. 5 different profiles ensure an option is available that works best for your project. Inserts double the slat wall strength while providing functional beauty. Offered in standard finishes, inserts can be custom finished in the color you need. Wind Mill strives to go beyond slat wall, offering component parts for production and prototyping. Many of these parts require edge banding with straight or contoured profiles. These are just a few of the custom manufacturing solutions we offer. At Wind Mill Slatwall Products, manufacturing custom slat wall, retail display panels, fixtures, and a vast array of wooden component parts is about going beyond the order. As a division of Amerhart, we have the resources to be innovative and competitive. We continue our leadership operating with great people, a lean environment, continuous training, and a culture of true teamwork. We invite you to experience the difference. We work hard to set the standard and go beyond. Wind Mill Slatwall Products. What can we build for you?